Okay, welcome back. Okay, folks, we are here with my class. We're looking at solving simple equations, one-step equations at the moment. And we've written down some basic rules on the right-hand side. And this lesson is being conducted by myself, Mr. Imran Iqbal, from Imran Iqbal 1212 on YouTube. So, rule. Let's have a look at step number 1. We have start at the x for the letter you are solving for. So let's follow the rule and let's see where that gets us. So first question, we start by looking at the x. Rule number 2 says identify the action being done. Well, the action here that's being done is an add 7. Okay. Now, rule number 3 says solve by moving the action to the other side. So we have to reverse it. Opposite add 7 is -7. Somebody's got something stuck in their throat today. Okay, let's copy down the x, copy down the equal, 31 minus 7. 31 minus 7 minus 1 minus 6, that'll give you what?
24.
24. Try to make sure that you keep your work lined up, and I will show you in a very light color. Okay, so just watch what I'm going to do now. So keep your x's lined up. That's supposed to be really light, but x. Okay, you got your equals lined up. Try to keep everything in a line so it's nice and clear. Okay, next question. Okay, we don't have more than one step, so we just grab the simple action and take it over. Okay, next question. X divided by 9 is equal to 11. So what do we do? If I can find the mass, so rule number 1 says start at the x. We need to identify the action. So Mr. Fahmy, what's the action in the second question? Divided by 9. So dividing is actually action, so we divide it by 9. And what we do now is step number 3 says solve by moving the action to the other side and reverse the sign. So opposite of divide by 9 is times by 9. So we have here x is equal to 11 times by 9, which is equal to 99. Copy the x under the x, then 99 under there. Okay. Right, next question, Mr. Yusuf. Rule 1 or step 1, how do you want to read it?
Start at the x or the letter you are solving.
And we try to find out what is being done to the x. What's being done to the x?
And when a number is next to the x or a letter, you got to times it.
It means times.
Yeah, man.
So at the moment, x has been multiplied by 9. That is the action. X has been acted on by time by 9. And now we have to do the solving part. We have to reverse that action. Take the time by 9 to the other side. So opposite time by 9 is divided by 9. So what we say here? We say x is equal to 117 divided by 9. If you want to, you can do it like this, like in a bus stop technique. So we say 9 goes into 1, nothing, remainder 1. 9 goes into 11 once, remainder 2. 9 goes into 27 3 times. So the answer is x is equal to 13. Okay, Fatima,
Yes.
lead me on the next question. We start at the x.
And
We
then
look at the x. Then
it's minus.
find out what it is there. Identify the first
And then circle it.
action. So x has only been acted by a -8. What do we do to the next, Fatima?
Take it to the other side.
We change side, we change sign.
And then time.
So what do you have now?
Plus, yeah, plus.
So x is equal to,
70.
Fatima, what is it? 9 add 8 is?
17.
Oh, okay. Okay, so 17. Quite. Okay, that's the end of this short video. I'm looking at one-step linear equations, we call them sometimes. Okay. solving simple equations, and I will give you some questions for classwork, and then we'll come back to get 2 and 3 step equations. Okay, that's the end of this particular video. Thank you very much for joining us, folks, and we'll see you in the next video.